Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Beezy back with another video. And today, because last time we did crypto trading, today we're gonna be doing either commodities or stocks. I don't know exactly. We're gonna vibe with this as we go. I don't know exactly, but I really want to show you how, even though that I don't have like a huge plan coming into the markets, how I can just, come in here, choose the pairs, make quick reads, enter into quick trades, and let's see where we go from here. So before we get into the meat and potatoes of this videos, I wanna plug myself. So don't forget to follow me, subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and don't forget to join the best selling group. There is a free signals every single day. Links are in the description, so don't forget to hit it up. And if you look for the best broker market option, links will also be in the description, so you can join, create an account, and start making trades on my strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's dive right into the charts. Today, as I said earlier, today I'm going to be showing you how to trade how to trade commodities things we're going to be trading. Usually all of the commodities on here are OTC, all of them, so there is not a single one. You can either do commodity or stocks, but in my opinion, stocks really have the better payouts because most of them usually have 92%. So we've got Apple, Facebook. I think we just do commodities on a different way. Let's go for stock. I know I said in the beginning of the video that we're going to do commodities, but I think stock have better payout, and I think I'm going to stick with all of the high payouts. So usually, most of the time I have a good luck with Apple OTC, and I think Johnson & Johnson OTC. Now, this could also be just a little bit of bias, and it's like just the amount of information that I've had over the years when it comes to working with each of these pairs. But let's just add some of our favorite indicators. So me, I gotta go with that stochastic later. Gonna add my moving average, and I gotta make it 200 EMA. So you could do a 200 EMA crossing with a 150 EMA or a 100 EMA. For me, I don't really see a difference. It just allows me to visualize where the market is going in general. And I just have a zigzag, so I don't have to really look at where the market is. So right here, we're on Johnson & Johnson OTC. We can see a place in the markets where the market seems to be pulling downwards. From the highest point in the market before was around 163.511. 163.446, and the market turns all the way from here. So we're looking to enter into a little bit of put. So now we've seen the market pulling up a little bit. This might be a good point to enter. Another great point to enter. Another great point to enter, in my opinion. Oh my God! All of my candles are falling. All right. Mistakes have been made. All right. I'm sure of this entry, but just so you guys can see, my time was on 5 seconds, and I just lost 3K because of that. My time was on. Okay, guys, I don't know how that happened. We lost 3K. Just so you guys can see. Look at that. 3K lost. I don't remember doing this session. 15 seconds, 15 seconds. Five seconds? Okay, 1 minute, that's me. 1 minute, that's me. 1 minute, that's me. 5 seconds? Does someone have access to? All right, so we're able to make profit. It's good, it's great, but losing 3 grand just to start, ridiculous. On such a good trade that we knew exactly how the market was moving. That is just ridiculous. Now, what a lot of people like to think here in this situation is what exactly is gonna happen in this situation in the markets. What I'm gonna say is I'm probably gonna continue to go put options because we know that the market is pulling down. We can see how that we can't really stay on top of nothing. So I think I might still enter into a call. I mean, into a put and not a call. Now we know the market isn't gonna like immediately pull downwards into the bottom here, even despite the fact that we can see that it's, like I said later, is at 20. We're expecting a slow movement, some change in direction of the market over and over again. So this is stuff that you're definitely gonna have to get used to. And in this case, I really thought that the sellers had the price. You can see the price being pushed down, but I think that the sellers are pushing that price down, but I don't think that the strength of the candle is good enough. So as you can see, they're really pushing that price down, but you can see that they're fighting back, and that candle might end up. Oh. Come on. Nope. So you can see, even though that price was pushed all the way down, I still don't see a situation where this market is continuing to flow upwards. You can see that they're barely struggling. They're really, really struggling to get that price up. I'm just looking for a nice point to enter, and I think that's an okay point to enter. That's right. That's a great entry point. Now it's looking like an even better entry. So I think we're not gonna make 1,000 back. We're gonna be down $80 based on our first trade. Let's switch it up. Let's look for something more, because it seems like we're just gonna try to follow this trend downwards. It's nothing better. I'm gonna tell you to do to follow a trend till the end. Follow the trend till the end, till you feel like that trend isn't working anymore. Just follow it, because there is no better way to have a profitable session than following a trend. So, of course, you could trade against the trend, because if we had entered against the trend here, we probably would have won. But even the amount of money that we lost here wouldn't make up for all of the other losses that we've had today. So you can see. So on the other hand, let's go to Microsoft and let's see. So when I come into a new chart, there's two things that's on my mind. First thing is I'm looking at a little bit of past price movement, and we can see some very, very crazy situations here, a lot of side movements. So it's all about, none of this candles is showing exactly where the market is going, but we can see generally the market has been on an upward movement, basically. So we've seen it move up and up and up and up and up. But now we can see how small this candle is. Very, very, very little differences between them. So right here, we're trying to zoom in and see what we can get for our buy. So we're looking at it right now. We can look at just the previous candles. Look how short the red candles are. Look how big the green candles are. So now you can see them red again. I might want to enter there, right here into a call. So I'm hoping that the market continues to pull upwards here. Even though we're seeing some strength from the sellers, and this red candle seems to be pushing all the way down here, I just believe that I've seen more strength out of the green candles than I have out of red candles. So I'm not expecting a huge, a huge loss from this candles. I'm expecting the market to continue to move, maybe not comfortably in the upward direction, but at least a little bit. Because despite the fact that the sellers had it, this candle still ended up finishing in the green, which is, you know, it's a little bit more difficult entering trades with this kind of very minuscule differences between entering and winning and losing. But we're able to get it. I would advise you not to enter trades on charts that look like this. You have to be really confident to know exactly what you're doing. So Apple OTC really is my thing. And as you can see here, we can see that the chart here is a little bit more consistent. And now we can see a downward trend happening right here. Right here, we want to say it's probably where the market might reverse, a possibility, or anywhere here. Now, we definitely could enter into just a quick put and try to follow the trend in this situation. But we can see the price still being pushed up heavily. So I think I'm just gonna wait if this market ends up pushing it up to somewhere here or even here. But no, the sellers are not taking it. They're not taking it. They're fighting back hard. Okay, I think this is still a good point. Even though I wanted to wait till it was pulled up a little bit, but I think the market might pull down completely in the last second. So I might enter a little bit earlier. It doesn't pull past like where I think that the entry point would be, but I could really see them pushing hard. Man, that's unfortunate. We don't want to end this. All right. You can still see the sellers pushing. So overall, candle is very green. And it's pushed past the level that I really wanted. So I think I'm gonna just enter right here again. So even if I lose 1,000, I'm gonna be able to take my profits back. Come on, push that price down. Noise, but it ends up pulling up again. Why would they be a reversal? Like, there's absolutely no reason for us to be seeing such strong candles in the opposite direction. So, a couple of seconds out, looks like a good profit situation for us. We're able to take that, and you can see that there really is no big difference when it comes to stocks OTC and regular pairs OTC. So usually, if you're able to find the right strategy, you will be able to come up with good results. And you've seen that my strategy has stayed the same, whether it's crypto, whether it's regular pairs, whether it's OTC, whether it's stocks. And next time, I think we're gonna be doing commodities for sure. You can see that my strategy stays the same. The way I approach my trades go the same. And I can really show you guys how that is done live. So thank you guys for joining me for another Beezy trade session. It's your boy. You know, I really want to thank you guys for joining me every single day. We have almost 10,000 people on the Telegram channel. If you're not in there, please join. Links will be in the description. I've given free signals every single day, and also have a VIP that's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up. Links will be in the description. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. It's been your boy Beezy, and I'm out.